Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the Stormcloaks in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. And first of all, you'll have to forgive me for using screenshots. However, this is the only way I can record these tutorials currently, since recording gameplay is too inefficient spatially and time-wise. So yeah, let's get right into it. First of all, if you side with Rayloff and go to Riverwood with him, he will tell you that you can join the Stormcloaks by going to Windhelm and speaking to Jarl Ulfric, which is this guy that you escaped from Riverwood with, from Helgen with, and you can talk to him. You don't need to. If you talk to Stormcloak soldiers across Skyrim, they might give you the option to join, or rather tell you to go to Windhelm to join. And that's exactly what you need to do. You can do this without even the quest marker or without any dialogue beforehand whatsoever. Even if you go with the Imperial guy at the beginning, you can also join the Stormcloaks later on. And what you need to do is, as it said, you need to go to Windhelm and go to the castle, the Jarl's castle. There you will find Jarl Ulfric on his throne, and if you speak to him, he will give you the option of joining the Stormcloaks. And once you accept, you will be in the Stormcloaks, and you will be sent on your first mission to locate the jagged crown of the King of Skyrim. So yeah, at that point you'll already be part of the Stormcloaks, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.